The next one that we have in store is one that has been doing some big movements. That's been changing the market a lot. Oh, man. People are excited about this coin right here. And you know what I'm talking about, the privacy coin. So when you move your money, nobody knows where you're moving it to.
The one, the only?
The one and only. Not the other ones don't matter no more. It's only this one. It's going to be Zcash. Those Z's aren't going to make you snooze with this coin. This coin is still looking crazy right now. We're going to be doing live technical analysis on Zcash. I'm going to hand it over to Crypto Bobby.
All right. So we have Zcash paired with the US dollar.
Ooh.
Weekly time frame data is coming in from Coinbase. So, I mean, we're just zoomed out here looking at the coin, just seeing what it's done. It's almost unbelievable. It's awesome. It's great to see. I just wish that the rest of the market was doing things not necessarily to this extent, but, playing a little catch up. A lot of altcoins still need to run, but this isn't about them. This is about Zcash. So again, this is going to be hard to do technical analysis on because just like XRP, we had that huge explosive movement, but this is still bouncing around, has a little chop going on with it. So let's just zoom in and take a look. We'll take a look at it. So we have a great movement. We came up. Oh no. Hold on. Let me see here. Let me do that and let me lock it into place. Sorry, you guys. So let's just take a look here, see what we could potentially do. So we've made this nice, beautiful movement to the upside, which is our 3618 movement. All-time high, it looked like we touched $745, just shy of it, before rejecting back down. Where are we going to find support? Who knows? Potentially our trend line that was drawn from years and years and years ago when it was first listed on Coinbase back in 2020, but the first touch point on the trend line is December 21st, 2020. Second touch point is here, January 17th, 2022. Then we just have that extended out. And what do you know? It's coming. It'll potentially be coming into play relatively soon with catching the falling knife. Could potentially catch the falling knife down here. That trend line from all those years ago would bring it to about $207. But it looks like we're already starting to move back up to the upside. There's more buyers than there are sellers because we reversed and started to come back up to the upside. We dropped down to about $300 before start moving up to the upside. We wicked up to $480 before closing back down, and we're currently in this weekly candle. It's anyone's game. We could continue back up to the upside, which I would expect us to come back up to about the mid $500 range if we are going to come up back to the upside before starting to get more momentum to explode us up to Lord knows $866, and that's the rest of our Fibonacci's. So, I mean, from where we were at about $745 to say that we go into price discovery mode and only go up to about the high $800 range, yeah, I would laugh at that. It's probably going to be chase that $1,000 level and beyond. It could be, realistically could be the next Ethereum price action wise, not utility wise, but price action wise could be the next Ethereum. So things look good with Ethereum. We could come down to that trend line of about $200. We could start coming up to the mid $500 to propel us back up to the upside. Look at that. Zcash has put in an amazing movement. I mean, the chart doesn't know justice. Just looking at that, let's just zoom out again and just take a look at that. That's as insane, a thing of absolute beauty. So a ton of upside potential. little bit of downside potential again, but I would definitely recommend if you are buying here, definitely lock in some profits, not financial advice. Do the responsible thing, lock in some profits, because if we do start coming back down to the downside, you could just throw those profits right back in and ride that wave potentially right back up to the upside, but with a 25% bigger overall holding of the token. So things look good for Zcash. We need more price action to come in because we just shot right up to the upside. We were rejected down to the downside, still in no man's land, close to the 618. But Zcash needs to show us what it wants to do. Does it want to continue to the rip to the upside, or are we going to start coming down to the downside? And again, to the upside, $550 and above. To the downside, $210 and below. And candle body closures above those two levels will show us and guide us to exactly where Zcash wants to go, to the upside or to the downside.
Okay, guys, that was Zcash. It's looking amazing. If you guys didn't know, we've been talking about Zcash for a while now.
You're watching your own video.
Yeah,
I like it.
Because I wanted to pull up just to give you guys some concrete proof that we'll be talking about Zcash for a while now. And if you guys would have been with us in the channel, which, it's hindsight's 2020, right? Let's see. I think I started, where was it at? Right here, 1 year ago, Zcash price prediction.
Hey, 791 views isn't bad.
That's what I'm saying. And over here, a year ago again, 130. So look at that. We've been talking about it for a while now. Then where else? So you guys, just to make a point to you guys. If you guys are listening to us, you guys are gonna get some good information. Look at this. 10 months ago.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what else. I know I had one over here too. Right here, 4 months ago.
True.
Oh baby, and this 1 month ago. So you see, we have good information here, guys. So close friends that we have of ours, they listen. They made some good profits. We gave them financial advice, not you guys. So yeah, that was pretty much it. They made some good money, and we're hoping to find the next one, the next Zcash now, because that's the one that's been ripping through the market right now. But that was great, insane.